Some of you will be missing your teen after they have transitioned out of the home in the fall. Graduation is quickly approaching, and I already know it. So I would recommend that you create a comfort corner, like designate a cozy corner in your home where you can retreat to when you're missing your teen. Like surround yourself with items that evoke their presence, such as their favorite blanket, a photo album, or a scented candle that reminds you of them. I'm retreating to these colors. These are my favorite colors, and these colors represent a color that I know that my daughters love, and so I retreat here whenever I'm missing my teens. Then also find solace in staying connected with your teen, even when they're physically absent. Send them text messages, share funny anecdotes, also reminisce about fond memories you all shared together, knowing that they're just a call or a message away. Knowing that can provide reassurance and comfort, really, for both you and your teen. All the best. Why should you enroll in the Ultimate Transition Success Program? Well, the modules, the interactive implementation-based modules within the program will teach you about yourself and your teen, and the new relationship that you and your teen will have both before and after transition day. I'm Dr. Michelle Lloyd.